Okay, this anatomy app is really cool because it shows you the different parts of the body and where they go. I think it's really effective because even if you just point to your own body where the lungs and stuff are, you can't show them exactly where it is. But with this app, the students can actually place the items inside and layer them on top of each other to kind of see their exact placements. I think it's engaging because it's something the students can do on their own to practice, maybe during centers time or something. And it's effective because it just helps you, I think, remember it better. When I played around with it, there are different levels that you can do with like levels of hardness. The easier level kind of shows you where they go, and the harder levels has a blank body that you put everything onto. And so it kind of just double checks you and lets you know if you're right, and you can see how quickly you can do it. And I just think it's a lot of fun for kids to practice. Okay, this cell app is pretty cool because you can see a three-dimensional model of a cell and see all of its different parts and zoom in on them. You can also kind of make it a study guide on your own and highlight different areas. And so I think it'd be a fun thing for kids to use as they're learning about the cells. I think that it's effective because it teaches multiple parts of the cell. You get right in on it and just can kind of combine a lot of lessons at once. I think that it's engaging because it's something that the students can do on their own on the iPad, maybe during centers and stuff. It's just a lot of fun. They can make their own study guides, and I just think that it's really effective because it'll also help them study and learn better. Okay, this force sensor is really efficient, I think, because it can help you kind of compare and contrast the difference between weight and force. I mean, a lot of students have scales in their homes. They know what weight means, but they can see with this sensor that, oh, it changes even when I jump up in the air. Even though my weight might be the same the whole time, it's actually the impact on the sensor that is changing. And so I think it's efficient there. It's engaging because students are able to do it. They're able to watch the lines go up and down on that little scale chart thing. And I think that it's really effective because it's just something that they can remember and know for themselves. Like, they could just be told the difference between weight and force, but here they can actually experience it. Okay, this light sensor station is cool and effective because you can just tell the students that certain colors absorb more light than others or give off more light, but here they can actually see it for themselves and kind of experiment with different colors of paper and with the what's that reflective stuff called? With tinfoil. And I think it's really engaging because the students are just involved. They can see the changes on the screen as they move across and kind of play with that, play with a flashlight. I also think that it's efficient because you're able to bring in all of these different elements of science in one activity as the kids kind of explore and discover.